Hello, बच्चों. The question says, what is a work done by a man? What is a work done by a man in carrying a suitcase weighing 30 kg over a head? मतलब उस suitcase का weight है 30 kg when he travels a distance 10 meter in a horizontal direction. तो distance travel दिया गया यहाँ पे horizontal direction में, and that is weight of the suitcase is 30 kg. That is 30 kgf हम अगर कह सकते हैं उसका weight. Now सबसे पहले I need to highlight the key concept here. तो की concept is formula for work done or basic definition for work done. Work is nothing but the dot product of vector f and vector s. मतलब work is the product of force and displacement, where f is a force and s is a displacement in the direction of force. So dot product का आंसर होता है f s cos theta. F s cos theta is the answer for the work done. Now here in this case, the suitcase, the man has to apply upward force of which is equal to weight of the suitcase. Suppose this is a man, और यहाँ पे suppose there is a one suitcase, और ये man is moving horizontally, मतलब displacement का direction horizontal है, but man has to uplift it with the force that is F, which is equal to the weight ऑफ द सूटकेस. तो क्या हम यहाँ से कह सकते हैं उसको लिफ्ट करने के लिए फोर्स लगाना है, दैट इज वेक्टर एफ एंड वेक्टर एस. दैट इज हियर फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर हियर. ये दोनों एक दूसरे को परपेंडिकुलर है. इफ दे आर द परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, what is the angle theta? Here theta is the angle between F and S. Theta is the angle between force and displacement. Angle between vector F and vector S. तो इन दोनों के बीच में एंगल है 90 डिग्री. दैट इज थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. तो कैन आई से वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर F डॉट वेक्टर S डॉट cos theta, that is magnitude of vector F into magnitude of vector S into cos of theta. But cos theta का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री, cos 90 which is equal to 0. F S cos 90, cos 90 का आंसर is 0. That is why work done will be 0 joule. So the work done by the man is 0 joule. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.